Mga memorya talaga naman. In today's video, pag-uusapan naman natin at himay-himayin natin ang mga top 3 personal loan na sa aking listahan na talaga namang super legit kung makapag-utang. Charis. So, nangunguna itong si Union Bank Personal Loan. Yes, narinig niyo na si Union Bank Personal Loan, pero madalang lang natin siyang i-feature or i-vlog because hindi pa tayo nakakajutang. Charit! Hindi pa tayo na-approve ni Techiwaya. Anyways, eto si Union Bank Personal Loan. Bring your plans to life with a Union Bank Personal Loan. So, ito yung features ng Union Bank Personal Loan, tita. So, you can get cash in as fast as 5 minutes from approval. Napakabilis daw. Di umano ang kanyang disbursement. 5 minutes nandiyan na sa inyong bank account. O, diba? And you can get a loan of up to 2 million pesos. No collateral or guarantor needed. Hindi, wala talaga as in. Hindi ko alam kung kayo ay nakapag-try na dito sa Union Bank Personal Loan, pero ako, ilang beses na ako na-reject. And then, enjoy flexible repayment terms of up to 5 years. Actually, may makwento ko na, parang last year yata, nang nilagyan ko ng laman yung aking Union Bank. Actually, Pag-ibig yun eh. Pag-ibig loyalty card ko, which is issued by Union Bank, diba? Yung banko noon. May pera yun. Nilagyan ko ng around parang 10,000 yata. May savings siya doon. And then biglang nagkaroon ng offer ng personal loan. Alam niyo kung magkano? Nasa 7,000 lang yung offer sa akin. Panoorin, balikan niyo yung video na yon. Okay, pagpatuloy natin, you can enjoy the benefits daw of getting a Union Bank personal loan for the following kinembulor. Okay. Okay, you can get extra cash fund. You can get extra cash fast to fund your big dreams. O, diba? Kung meron kang mga pangarap dyan na malalaki, o, diba? I-consider mong mangjutang kay Union Bank kung kailangan mo talaga mag-put up ng business or something else na talaga naman ikalilagayan ng inyong alindog. Gay bar. Charot. Mag-put up ka ng gay bar. Charis. So, and then, you can also use this for home renovation. So, or home repairs to transform your space into your dream home. Taray! And of course, kung ikaw talaga naman naghahanap ng alternatibong cash loan na po pwede mong jutangan in times of difficulties or emergency, o i-consider mo itong si Cash Express kasi meron siyang 0% interest for the first 7 days, Mima. I-take advantage mo na yung Cash Express na yung 0% interest for the first 7 days. Kung kailangan mo ng kaperahan for emergency needs, di ba? Pwede i-consider mo itong si Cash Express as an alternative option for you. And of course, huwag kakalimutan basahin ng terms and conditions bago mag-apply. If you're interested, go ahead and click my link below sa description ng Itechua. And of course, pa-comment naman kung na-approve na kayo, Ditechua, yung mga mima. Anyways, pagpatuloy natin. And you can also use this for personal growth. Or education. Mga pang-tuition dyan. Pay for school admission fees and other expenses to further your studies or develop new skills. Antarush. Gusto ko to. Gusto kong mag-aral na abogasya. Gusto maging attorney, gusto maging lawyer. Pangarap ko yun, pero wala. Hindi na. Frustrated, diba? Lawyer. Charis. So, yun na nga. Personal loan repayment fee table. Ito yung mga fees na kaakibat ng BPI to. Yun yung bank personal loan. Financial planning is crucial to ensure that you face no monetary challenges while paying your loan. Each month, before applying for a Union Bank personal loan, you can estimate your monthly repayments using our personal repayment calculator. Meron siya ng ganyan before ka So, how much will my loan cost? So, kunwari ang principal or gusto mo jutangin 100,000 ito up to 60 months ang kanyang repayment terms. Very flexible talaga siya, ng bonggang-bonggarya. Pinaka-lowest sa monthly installment na niya yung 3,047 pesos and 56 cents. O pwede kang mamili diyan kung ilang months mo gustong tsorbahin or bayaran ang inyong ginutang kay Union Bank. Meron din 200,000, so up to 2 million nga dito, di ba? So, pag 200,000 naman yan, as you can see, hindi ba? So, meron siyang disclaimer. Initial interest will be charged on the first statement of account issued following the approval of your Union Bank personal kinembular loan. So, basahin niyo yan, yung terms and conditions niya. Ito yung pagkakataon para makapag-loan kayo yung bank personal. Kasi paano naglipano siya sa Facebook ko din, nagpapakita siya kasi ang aking searching lagi is utang, 'di ba, loan. So, nagpapakita itong mga legit na. Nangyari sa mga OLA. Alright, anyways, at least 'di ba, legit na bangko talaga. Eligibility, you can check. You need to be at least 21 to 65 years old. You are a Filipino citizen or local resident. Oh, check nyo, may mga requirements din yan. Dumako naman tayo sa pangalawang personal loan from the other bank, which is Welcome Bank! Charot. Welcome Bank Rural Bank. O, diba? So, actually, may mga offers na ako kay Welcome Bank. I tried once to apply with the Welcome Bank personal loan. Last year yata yon, pero rejected ako. Mabilis ang kanilang resulta. Parang siguro malalaman mo siya within 24 hours. Or knowing it's a bank, ha? Mabilis na yun. Welcome Bank offers non-collateral and collateral loan product that fit the needs and goals of Filipino market. Tarush. So, may personal loan sila, salary loan. So, yung personal loan, this is a non-collateral product with lowest interest rate and higher loan amount. Meron din silang pa-salary loan. Most widely used loan product with minimum qualifications. They also have business loan. Okay, sa mga nagbabalak na magpatupad talaga ng sarili nilang OLA. O, diba? Maybe this is the time for you guys to put up a new business. Pautangan business. Because you can loan up to 2 million pesos with the business loan. Tapos may pa-auto loan din sila. And condo loan, o diba, tarush, OFW loan. Sa mga kababayan natin sa abroad, o diba, may OFW loan sila, try nyo. So, dumako tayo dito sa personal, kasi personal loan pinag-uusapan natin. So, itong personal loan nila, Mima, the non-collateral loan product with lowest interest rate daw and higher loan amount. Which is 50,000 pesos ang pinaka-minimum loan amount. Pwede majutang-jutang detachi. Ang highest amount is maximum of 1 million pesos. Diba? Ang terms is 12 to 36 months. May monthly add-on rate siyang baba, 1.39 to 1.99%. Okay, if a customer was approved for 50,000 daw with a 36-month term, the monthly amortization is 2,084 pesos. Ang baba na yun. For 50,000 ha, tas 36. Tapos, estimated annual effective interest rate is 33.80%. Okay, rates shown are indicative only and may change upon approval. So, it's still subject for approval. Malalaman mo yung pinaka-interest mo once approved na at nandyan na yung disclosure statement mo, kinembular. Okay, so, ang eligibility niyan, Team Marcos, ay dapat ay Filipino citizen ka, at least 21 to 65 years old ang inyong age, and employed ka dapat for at least 2 years with a minimum of 20,000 kinembular net monthly income. Kailangan ng credit card with active credit card with minimum credit limit of 30,000 kinembular pesos. So, siguro gagamitin nila ito for reference mo. Kailangan may active credit card ka. Tapos, ito yung requirements, Well, actually, may sinabi dito, these standards are subject to change at any time. Malay nyo, kahit wala kang credit card, pwede ka. Kasi it may change, sabi niya, these standards are subject to change at any time. Malay mo, pwedeng tanggalin yan kasi kinakailangan nilang, maraming jumutang, o diba? Pwede nilang i-disregard yung requirement na yon. Okay, anyways, ito yung requirements. 2 valid government IDs, 2 monthly recent payslip, COE, okay? Tapos latest 80 ITR, latest ITR, 2-month credit card statement, utility bill under your residential address. So, ito yung fees and charges niya. Napaka-importante naman talaga na ating himay-himayin din ang fees and charges because pera-pera ito. 3% of approved loan amount yung kanyang processing fee. Oh, tapos may notarial fee pa siya which is 400 Canadian pesos. Documentary stamp tax approval loan amount divided by 200 times 1.5. Yun na yung pinaka-documentary stamp tax, Mima. Late payment fee, of course, di nawawala yan. 1.5 or 15% of amortization or whichever is higher. Napaka, laki nun. Kaya dapat kapag nakapag-filter na kayo, once approved na kayo kay Welcome Bank, huwag kayo malate. Pay on time. Okay, napakadali lang mag-getso-getsong ng personal loan ng Welcome Bank. Okay, very quick and transparent process. Number 1, fill out the application form online. Online lang siya gagawin sa website nila. Tapos step 2, get ready for our call. Prepare the required documents and Welcome Bank will inform you about your application through your mobile phone. Tatawagan ka. Kung may mga kailangan ka na i-submit siguro sasabihin kung paano mo isa-submit yung requirements. And then step 3, wait for approval. Welcome Bank will inform you about your final approval condition. Tarus. So, tapos ang pinaka-final, get your approved loan. Yun na yun. Get your approved loan from your nearest branch. Nearest branch? Talaga? Hindi siya Hindi siya wire transfer? Di ba pwedeng i-transfer sa bangko? Pupunta pa talaga ako sa nearest branch sa Bayard. Welcome Bank. Well, that's their way of disbursing. Okay, anyways, check natin yung loan calculator. So, kunwari 200,000 pesos ang jujutangin mo, 36 months term. Ang monthly add-on rate niya is 1.39% lang. Calculate. Ate, 2,780 pesos ang inyong interest. Ang total repayment mo na 8,336 pesos per month. That's per month. Yun na yung monthly amortization, yung 8,336. Diba? Nakakaloka. Anyways, ito na ang susunod na ating himayin. Si Maya Bank Personal Loan. Sa mga kwento ko lang, nag-apply ako last week. Dito sa Maya Bank Personal Loan. Diba? Check muna natin tong aking account. So, may credit. Diba may Maya Credit din aside pa Maya Personal. Ito Maya Credit din. Revolving Canambular credit line siya. Okay, so you can use at any time naman as long as you have available credit limit. Ang credit limit ko hindi na tumataas, 10,000 pa rin. Since the beginning, charis. So, kaya madalang ko na siyang ginagamit kasi hindi ko na nga ginagamit I'm so proud of myself since last year kasi may mga jutang pa akong binabayaran. Baka mamaya wag ka patong-patong na naman mahirapan naman tayong mag-tsuktsak ng ating kabayaran. Anyways, hindi ko ginagalaw yan kasi para saan, di ba? At saka very muna ako ngayon. Minamanage ko yung mga debts ko. Antara! Mga debts. Okay, anyways, punta tayo dito. Dumako tayo sa loans, sa personal loan. So, I tried applying, Ilang beses talaga ako na-reject nitong si Maya Personal Loan. Actually, 100 times na. Oh, no! Bakit kaya? Hindi ko alam kung anong nangyayari. Binabaan ko na ngayon loan amount ko. Hindi pa rin ako na-approve. Ba yan? Tapos trinay ko last week. So apply now kasi nandiyan na naman yung yung button na apply now and then I check kung pwede na ako pero check muna natin tong my personal loan na pagkakakilanlan. So fund your next big life upgrade with a loan of up to 250,000 pesos. Yun ang kanyang loan amount. So ang pinaka minimum is 15,000 to 250,000 pesos maximum. Ito yung mga requirements for salaried people talaga. Latest payslip, certificate of employment and compensation, latest income tax return. Tapos pag self-employed ka naman, proof of income tas business registration, Mima. Ang kanyang terms napakahaba, 6 to 24 months. Pwede daw mag-increase siya to 48 months coming soon. Tapos may service fee siya, which is waived down for early access promo. Documentary stamp tax, it's waived din for early access promo. Naka-early access pa rin hanggang ngayon. So, yung interest niya is as low as 0.77% monthly add-on rate for 24 months. That's 1.40% monthly effective interest rate. Napakababa na nun. Kaya gusto ko sanang tsuktsakin 'tong Maya Portion kasi ang baba ng kanyang interest, tita. Imagine itong 0.77 monthly as low as, no? Okay, anyways, may late payment fees din siya, 0.17% of unpaid principal. Oh, ang baba. Pero you still have to pay on time. Kasi nga, napakalaking bagay na, 'di ba, na mabawasan yung ating credit score kapag late na tayo magbayad or hindi tayo nagbabayad on time. Okay, so yun ang anuhin ninyo, lagi niyong pakatatandaan. Okay, so sabi dito, fund your big life moves instantly. Get a loan of up to 250,000 pesos. Low monthly add-on rate siya, 0.77% payable in up to 24 months. Get your loan in an instant. Okay. May flexible monthly payments din siya and easy loan management. You can manage your loan repayments within the app. Okay. So, syempre, nag-apply na ako agad. So, ang loan purpose ko dito, tuition. Binabaan ko ng aking loan amount, ha? Okay. So, naging 35 to. Kasi, nung mga previous na apply ko, mga 100,000, 200,000 lagi kong gustong jutahin. Pero binabaan ko, may nagsabi kasi, may nag-comment sa isa sa mga videos ko na, babaan ko daw kasi pag binabaan ko, sure ball na ma-approve ako. Syempre, tinry ko na 35,000. Sige, babaan ko 35,000 pesos, tas 12 months, di ba? Yan, ang estimate monthly installment is 3,188.85 per month. Tapos, syempre, fill out na yan. And then, last check natin, please check your details are correct. You can edit any incorrect information before submitting. Napaka-importante, i-review mo muna itong loan details, tapos yung work details mo, personal details, nandyan na. So, okay na yan, and then you can continue. And then, nag-process na siya, bokya. Rejected na naman. Thank you for your interest in Maya Personal Loan. You are currently not eligible for Maya Personal Loan. Keep using Maya and we'll let you know. Kaloka. Ang dami-dami ko ng offer kay Maya. Oo, ang dami kong text offers kay Maya na pinag-a-apply na ako ng Maya Personal Loan. Tapos hindi totoo yung pag binabaan mo yung loan amount mo, ma-approve ka. Hindi. Oh, no! Hindi mo alam. Basta na ako. Hindi ako na-approve na Maya Personal. Anyways, maraming salamat mga memorya. So that's our top 3 personal loan, mga memorya. So sa mga nagbabalak na jumutang, doon lang tayo sa mga legit o mga bangko. You can consider these 3 banks, no, na feature natin ngayon. But again, you have to be responsible, jutangera, and read the terms and conditions before mag-apply. Mga memorya, and I thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye! Ako, magsusundo pa ako ng Junakis ko. Ang init na. Nakasan kayo? Oo. Inaantay. Yung Junakis ko, magsusundo ako. Anong oras na? 2:07 p.m. 2:07 p.m. na. Parang gusto mag-milk tea. Kapag milk tea.